Welcome to another Diverse Solutions video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the contact details page for adding and editing contact information. You can access your contacts in one of two ways. Hover over dsAgent Reach and click on Contacts, or hover over dsSearchAgent and click on Contacts. This will take you to the Contact Groups page, where you can perform a quick contact search to search for contacts currently in your database. Simply type in the name, and it'll auto-populate and provide a drop-down of possible contacts associated with the name that you've typed in. Just below that, you'll notice that you have tags to filter and access all of the contacts that you've labeled under a particular tag. For example, in this case, we have two tags for first-time buyers and IDX visitors. Tags are a great way to organize your contacts and distinguish between first-time buyers, sellers, interested prospects, or people who are a couple of days out. It's a way of categorizing your contacts, labeling your contacts for easy access. If you wish to add a new contact group, just below that, you'll notice a section for Add Group. Simply type in the name of the group you'd like to add, click on Add Group, and you'll notice that that automatically adds a contact group to your new contact groups page. Now, let's take a look at one of the contacts in your account. In this case, we're going to click on the Colleagues group. Over on the right-hand side, again, you'll see an option for a quick contact search to filter and search for contacts in this particular group. Type in the name, and it'll auto-populate with all of the possible matches for that name. If you wish to add a new contact, simply type in the first name, last name, and email address for the contact you wish to add. Click on Done, and that'll automatically add the contact to your account. If you wish to, again, filter by tags, you'll notice each of the tags down below. Let's take a look at one of the contacts in your account now. I'm going to click on Ricardo Bueno, and that brings up the contact page for Ricardo Bueno. You'll notice that you have your avatar, the name for the contact, the owner of the contact. If you have a pro broker account, the owner will be labeled as the broker on the account, or if you've gone ahead and dispersed this lead, it'll list the name of the agent as the owner that this contact now belongs to. Again, if you have a pro broker account, you can change the owner of this particular contact by clicking on the Change Owner field. If you wish to edit the tags for the contact, simply click on the Edit Tags link below the contact name, and that'll bring up an option for you to add or select any of the possible existing tags. In this case, we're going to click on IDX Visitor, and on the right hand side, if I wish to add a new tag, like Sellers, simply type in the name of the tag you wish to add, click on Add Tag, and hit Save. That'll automatically add the IDX Visitor and Sellers tags to your account. On the right-hand side of the contact details page, you'll notice the groups. This tells you what group the contact is in, and it's also a link to that contact group. The origin tells you how the contact became a contact. In this case, the contact was manually added. But if a user registered through your IDX or filled out a contact form, it would tell you that it's an IDX registrant, or that they registered through a contact form on a particular page. Just below that, the email status will tell you what the particular status is for this account. Normal indicates that everything is correct. Opted out indicates that they have requested not to receive any emails. This happens automatically. Email bounced indicates that an email that was sent bounced back. The contact at this point needs a new email address in order to send out emails again. And lastly, opted out of campaigns indicates that the contact requested not to get any campaign emails, but will get all other emails. This also happens automatically. Just below that, you'll notice that it displays again the personal information for this contact and the day that this contact was added or created on your account. Below that, you'll notice that you have the option to create tasks for this contact. To create a new task, simply create a new task box, title your task, set the date and time for the reminder email, and just a quick description. Just below that, you can set the alerts to be reminded via email, via phone, and via pop-up 10 minutes before your task is due. Hit save, and that new task will automatically be added to your queue. In the center section on the Contact Info tab, you'll notice that you can add a history to your account and/or add notes. As you begin to set tasks and reminders for your contacts, what you want to use these options for is to add manual notes to remind yourself of the different contact points that you've had with your contact. Just below that, if you've created any marketing emails, any upcoming marketing emails that are scheduled to be sent as part of a drip campaign will be shown here. Below that, you will see a section that says Sent Marketing Emails, and that will indicate what emails have been sent to your contact. Now typically, you can impersonate an IDX visitor from this option, but in this case, this contact was added manually. To make this contact an IDX user, you can set them up by checking the box, but first you need to go to edit the contact. Over on the right hand side, you can create this contact as an IDX user. Simply check the box, and you want to set a password. Once you've confirmed your password, you can set yourself to get sent any new search emails as sent by this contact. Just below that, you can choose a file to set as an avatar for your contact. Click on Choose File. Select a file from your desktop. Click on Upload Avatar, and that'll automatically add the avatar to your account. Over on the left-hand side, you can edit the contact information for your contact, like adding an office number. If you wish to add additional fields, simply add the name for the additional field, click on Add Field, and the new field will be added to your contact. Once you're done, click Save and Done, and the changes will be added and have been made to your new contact. We've made this contact now an IDX visitor, so over on the right hand side down near the bottom under IDX Tools, you can click on Impersonate IDX User. Thanks again for watching another Diverse Solutions video tutorial.